Hello lovelies and warm welcome back to my channel. We are reaching the end of our acrylic bead series today with the fourth and the final part where we will unravel the art of one bead acrylic application. In case you missed any previous episodes, you can easily find the links in the description box or on the right corner of the video. In the first part of our series, I explained everything about the sheet, what it is and how it plays a role in our acrylic bead journey. If you want to dive into the world of sheets and understand their significance, check out that video. It's the foundation for our acrylic bead knowledge. In the first video of our series, I break down the 3 circle bead application, 2 bead application and many more things. I have spelled the secrets on beads method and other essential tips. Before diving into today's video on one bead application, I highly recommend watching the entire series. It's like building knowledge line by line, especially understanding the sheet significance. So go ahead, watch and join me. Alright, let's dive into today's video where we all about mastering the art of one bead acrylic application. Now one bead means covering the entire nail with just one single bead, whether it's short, long or medium. We are using only one bead. I will walk you through the process of doing one bead acrylic on the sheet, focusing on oval and ballerina shape, also known as coffin. But here's the scoop. Handling one bead can be a bit tricky, so pay close attention and be mindful on the amount of monomer and acrylic you're working with. It's a delicate process, so let's break it down carefully. Now let's break it down. Dip your brush into the monomer. Let it breathe. And when removing, don't take off too much. Aim for a bit less removal. Since you're working with a bigger bead this time, your brush needs enough monomer to handle it. Ideally, keep around 90% monomer on the brush to grab a bead from the acrylic powder. Observe the beauty of the bead. Just remember, when you're going for a bigger bead, make sure your brush has enough monomer. It might feel a bit tricky at the first, but practice will help you get the hang of it. The key is to keep your brush ready to grab the acrylic powder. Keep practicing and you will nail it. Place this bead near the cuticle, then build your nail towards the edge. After placing, clean your brush and start dabbing from the cuticle. Be careful not to let the bead flow too much. If it does, a quick dab will bring it back in place, keeping it simple and smooth. Gently tap the bead from the cuticle towards the edge, using your brush with a light touch to cover the entire oval-shaped nail. Keep a close eye on the bead. If it starts flowing, adjust your hand and guide it back onto the nail. The goal is to create a smooth and even surface, not a mountain-like shape. Maintain equal size nail, ensuring smooth and regular. And most importantly, keep it within the nail boundaries. One bead extension is all about balance and precision. Now let's explore the coffin shaped nail using the same one bead acrylic technique. Before we dive in, remember, clean your brush. It's crucial for success. Dip your brush into monomer, remove a bit of excess, ensuring more monomer stays on the brush. Then dab and take a larger bead of acrylic. Witness the elegance of the bead. When the monomer and acrylic ratio is just right, your bead will turn out as beautiful as you see here. Stay focused while handling the bead and ensuring cleanliness. Place the bead near the cuticle, clean your brush and dip it in monomer. With a bit of monomer on the brush, guide the bead from the cuticle to flow towards the edge of the nail. Go slow, use a light touch, and if the acrylic seems to be going beyond the nail, gently place it back and aim for a smooth and clean surface. It's all about finesse and precision. Now cover the edge with the same bead using the same gentle touch and flow. You can do it just as I did mine. So stay focused. This one bead acrylic application technique is unrevealed here, and I will be sharing more tips and tricks in upcoming videos. If you learned and enjoyed this, give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Forming a beautiful one bead acrylic is easy with the techniques I have shared. So go ahead, give it a try and follow up my tips and success. Thanks for watching, keep supporting and stay tuned for more videos and tips on extensions and nail art.